before I start working on this Honda Civic here, please help me click that subscribe button to keep everybody updated on my new video, and click that bell notification too. For this Honda Civic here is a 2018 Honda Civic. I'm working on the door lock cylinder. Here's the part number right here, and it comes with the cylinder and the new keys, and the ignition key is a separate key. This customer, she gave me the door handle. I don't know what's wrong with it before. I don't know if people are trying to steal her car, or I don't know what they're trying to do or what happened, but you're gonna pry out this little cover right here, and then once you pry that out, you can get access to the door cylinder. And on the side, to loosen the door cylinder, you're gonna take out that bolt right here. Once you take that bolt out, you can take out the door cylinder, and notice how you see this like a plus sign. It's gonna go into the inside of that white piece right there. For the door handle, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide this behind this thing right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide it in, and press. There you go. From there you can pull it. Oh, pop back out. But so let me close the door. I can open it from the inside. There you go. And now you're gonna install your door cylinder. I got the door cylinder in, tighten down the bolt on the side right here. So let's check it out. So I'm gonna lock it. You can hear the car is locking. Unlocked, locked. So I unlocked it. Now this is unlocked. There you go. Locked, unlocked. I'm gonna open from the inside. There you go. Pretty easy. Now this is the ignition key. I don't think it's gonna work for the ignition key. The customer is gonna have to use two different set of keys. You can see that I can't turn it at all. This is the ignition key, because she lost the original cylinder, so she's gonna have to use the second one. Now there you go. Locked, unlocked. For the cover on the outside here, the customer is gonna have to order it. She also lost the cover also. But that is it for this video for the door lock cylinder. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. Like, share, subscribe. I'll keep everybody updated. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.